These days, various frameworks and libraries help us sort data. As software engineers, we almost never have to think about how sorting works. We just call a method, pass our data, and it gets sorted magically. But studying sorting algorithms and how they have evolved is what distinguishes an average programmer from an outstanding one. And that's why sorting algorithms come up in coding interviews all the time. The interviewer may give you a list of numbers and ask you to sort it with a given sorting algorithm. For each sorting algorithm, you need to be able to explain how it works, you need to talk about its time and space complexity, and you should be able to implement it in your programming language of choice. And that's what you're going to learn in this section. We'll start off our journey with bubble sort, which is the simplest of sorting algorithms. Then, as we go through this section, you'll learn about faster sorting algorithms. Now let's jump in and get started.